You know when you want something that just feels premium. The phone, the watch, the one that's built properly. Well, in the world of EV chargers, this is that. The Hypervolt Home Pro 3. British built, beautifully made, and one I point people to when they want the best all-rounder. Let me talk you through it. So, Hypervolt, they're a British brand known for one thing above all, quality. When you fit these for a living, you notice the difference. The way they're put together, the materials, the finish, it's a cut above. They're basically positioned themselves as a premium choice, and honestly, they earn it. So what do you get? It's a 7.4 kilowatt charger, which is the fastest a normal home supply gives you, and it will charge any car. But here's where it earns its name. First, the build. It's sealed up, tight against the weather, impact resistance, and the casing won't fade. Sat out in the sun for years. This is the one I'll happily bolt to the exposed wall and not think about again. Second, the looks. You get a choice of colours, a customisable light on the front, and a neat way of wrapping the cable. It's the charger most people actually don't mind having on the front of their house. Third, the brains. The app handles your scheduling, links to cheap tariffs like Octopus to charge overnight for less, and it'll charge off your spare solar too. And one that saved me on jobs. You can get it with a cable up to 10 meters long. If your parking spot's right down the other end of your drive, no other charger really matches that, and it's quite a game changer. It's also got low balancing built in, so it watches the rest of your house and never overloads your supply. Right, I always give you both sides. First, the price. This is up at the premium end. You're paying for the quality, and for a lot of people, it's worth it. But if the budget's tight, there are cheaper chargers that will do the everyday job perfectly well. If that's you, have a look at our EVEC video. That's the value pick. I'll link it. Second, like a lot of smart chargers, it leans on your home Wi-Fi. If your signal's weak, out where it's mounted, you might need a little Wi-Fi booster. Easy to sort, just worth flagging. So let me break it down. The Home 3 Pro is the one to get if you want a premium charger that does everything well. Solar, cheap tariff charging, the lot. In a unit that's properly built and looks the part. It's perfect if your parking is a long way from where the power comes in, and perfect if you just want a nice one and you'll pay a bit more for it. On price, as a rough guide, it tends to start around £1,000 mark installed. But that moves depending on your house, the cable length you need, and your setup. So that's the ballpark, not gospel. If the Hypervolts caught your eye, we fit them all the time. We are plug-in stations. We'll give you a straight answer on whether it's right for you, handle the whole install, and check if the government grant can bring the cost down. And there's real money on the table there, so watch the grants video. It's linked below. Then just message us or hit the link in the description for a proper quote. And if this was useful, give it a like and subscribe. We do honest guides on every brand we fit. Cheers for watching.